As you can see, I have different things on the ground, and I like to play and to maybe sometimes to do some a little dance around them and to speak with them. They are my friends, and I like the nets a lot, as you can see, black nets, and also fabrics and I begin to work without to think. I don't want. If I think too much, I don't work. I cannot. So c'est very instinctive. My father was an architect and he was also a painter, and I always have some drawings, some material, papers, and to do things, and that was the beginning. And my father was very always nervous, but when he painted, he was quite calm. So I said, "Oh, it's very nice. I want to be like that." And maybe it's one of the reasons I want to be an artist. But it was, for me, it was normal. It was not difficult. But after that, it was more complicated. Also because I'm a woman, and at this time, at the beginning of the 70s, it was a little bit difficult for women. A lot of times they say, but the best creation for a woman is maternity. J'ai entendu, I heard this kind of reflection a lot of time. It was terrible. They don't want to see the work of a female artist. It was only men and men. But c'est changé complètement, heureusement. But I continue and I want to do this work, and it was so it give me a lot of different names. Annette Messager artiste, Annette Messager collector, Annette Messager truqueuse, Annette Messager practical woman, different names and with different media like paper or like fabric or photo.
And what is it that you use this space for?
For installation, for larger works, for a lot of different works. And also I hang a lot of things here. So it's a good place to work on different works in the same time. For different work, for different shows. I work a lot with net and always black, and that's I'm doing now, this piece. I'm born near the sea, and I saw a lot of fishing men with nets, so maybe, I don't know really. So here it's a lot of scissors. I like scissors. I cut a net and to keep like a string. And here also there is a scissor and a K, and here it's somebody, two people here. And here also two people together. It's like they are making love, maybe. It's a contradiction between a scissor and people making love. Because the scissor cut and here they are protecting. Did photography in the street called Mes Approches with a text, I will not speak to you, but if I speak, I will say you, your pullover is awful, but I like you, and etc., etc. I was at this time influenced by Marguerite Duras. I think my work is feminist.
What were the inspirations?
The life, the information, the newspaper, all the life at this time. More than the Dadaist and Picabia, people like this. They are more free than the others, and they play, and they're more funny and tricky. Yes, it's a series about my view. It's always black and white photography of human body, part of human body. Mm-hmm. And here I put some warm of pullover. And when you take off a pullover to get the yarn, it's always like an alphabet, you cannot have straight on. This is my mother, in fact. I begin to do this line, and it was a little bit empty, and I add the two. I like to play also with les cordes, the string. For me, they are very important, the strings. It's body part of human, and woman, man, baby. This is the baby, my mother. The film of Hitchcock were very important for me for the close-up, les gros plans. Des yeux, du corps. It was in the film, not in photography. So I tried to do this with a photo. Black and white close-up are in the movie, not in photography, but in movies there are a lot of close-up. Mm-hmm. Maybe I'm more influenced by movies than by paintings or photography. I am obsessed by this, obsessed by my work, what I am doing. So when I live in the night, I am thinking or I dream, and so the day after, I find the solution if the day before I was blocked. It stays in my head, and I can cook, I can do, I don't know, different things, but I want also thinking about what I had tried to do. But it was like a dream, so sometimes the solution come like this, because I'm not blocked, but in the day I take the subway and I imagine the person in front of me, what he is doing, where he's going, and I am looking a lot to the others. So I like to go to the coffee to see people. I am not afraid by the death. I'm afraid before the death to be sick, but for the death, no. I'm waiting the death, working. The only thing I have to do, only thing I'm quiet, it's when I work. With my cigarette, of course. I think I have the chance to be an artist and to do what I wanted to do, and so ma vie était belle.